exceptional time with DC Home Addition and Home Remodeling. They helped me remodel my whole basement. This basement used to be dark and dungy until they broke down this wall that used to be here. And now it's a really big concept. We came over here and I didn't know that we could do this, but we expanded the windows and now it's really bright. We also added a wet bar and now I can have a really good time with my friends. I never thought that I could have a bathroom in the basement until I started working with Mustafa. He added so many really nice things here. He added this really big sink and the water runs a lot faster than I thought. There's a really big, beautiful mirror here. And this shower is really nice. I really love the marble walls and the tiles that he added for decoration. I really do recommend working with DC Home Addition and Home Remodeling. They did an exceptional job with everything.